Over the years, you've seen plenty of our vans and products, but unless you've come to visit our headquarters in Golden, Colorado, you probably don't know what a typical day at TOURIG looks like. Hi, I'm Caroline, and today we're going to be doing a facility tour of TOURIG here in Golden, Colorado. When you first arrive to TOURIG, you'll walk into our showroom lobby. Here you can check out some of our products, watch our most recent films, or maybe you're here to pick up your completed van, which we keep over here in the showroom bay. On both of our showroom and service side, you'll find lots of our products that we sell here at TOURIG, like Dometic, Rux, and of course our Bunker Series soft goods products. Over here, we have a Trooper model van ready for delivery. This bay is where we keep all of our completed vans for display, and if you're coming to pick up your own van, this is also where we'll do your user training. Upstairs, we have our administration, sales, and marketing department offices. On this wall, we have more of our TOURIG soft goods, like the collapsible cabinet, one of my favorites right now. And behind me, we have our conference room. The conference room is where we design all of the vans, whether they be spec or custom builds. Walking behind the lobby, we have our waiting room for all of our guests. Here you can check out cool bikes, grab a cozy seat on the couch, or maybe you need to do some work and we've got some desks and some monitors for that as well. As we enter our production side, we can see lots of vans filling up all of these bays. All the way down at the green curtain is where we start the process, and slowly they'll move their way over to us through finish and then finally quality control. Just across the parking lot from the TOURIG showroom, we can enter the TRG TOURIG Service Center's showroom. Over here, we do a multitude of different tasks. We can do Mercedes-Benz maintenance items like oil changes, alignments, or we can do aftermarket installations or maintenance. Right now, we have a lot of heater services coming in, winterizing vans as cold weather is approaching. And then we can also do small or partial builds on this side of the building. In this showroom, you can get a multitude of different items installed here. We have some backwood stuff, Illuminess, Shieldman, wheel displays, as well as the TOURIG soft goods. If you're a full-time van lifer and you need to freshen up, not only do we sell the Bunker Basin shower here, but we also have a real shower that you can use while you wait for your van to finish up in service. So next time you're in the area, come on by to TOURIG's headquarters, check out our vans for sale, book a service appointment, or sit down with me and start designing your custom van today.